Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the saucy chef, she got skills.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making loaded fried mashed potato balls. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 3 3/4 cup of water, non-stick cooking spray, vegetable oil for frying. I have 2.5 ounces of real bacon bits, 1/2 cup of cornstarch, 1 family-sized package of instant mashed potatoes. I have some fresh chives, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley flakes, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of shredded Parmesan cheese. I also have 1 tablespoon of grated Parmesan cheese, 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. So I added my water to a pot. We're just going to let it come to a light boil. And I also added my 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. Now to a large bowl, you want to add in your instant mashed potatoes. Next, I'm going to add in my hot water. We're just going to mix it until it's well combined. Now I'm going to add in my 1/2 cup of cornstarch. We're just going to go back in and mix it until it's well combined. Once it's well combined, I'm going to add in my onion powder, my garlic powder, my chives, my grated Parmesan cheese, my shredded Parmesan cheese, ground black pepper, and the dried parsley flakes. You want to mix it until everything is well combined. Once it's well combined, we're going to add in our bacon bits. We're going to go ahead and mix it again. Okay, once you're done, you want to go ahead and get the non-cooking spray. You're going to spray your hands with it. Then we're going to begin to roll our mashed potatoes into balls. Okay guys, so depending on how big you make your mashed potato balls, if you make them the size I did, you'll be able to make 15 of them. Now you want to put some oil in the pan and let it come to temperature. Once your oil is ready, we're going to put our mashed potato balls in, and we're just going to cook them until they're nice and golden. Remember, don't overcrowd your pan. Okay guys, once you see them start getting golden on one side, you just want to go ahead and flip them over. You want them to be nice and golden and crispy. Okay guys, once they get to your desired color, we're just going to remove them and place them into a wire rack. Okay guys, this is my second batch. Okay guys, so once they're done, you can go ahead and get your grated Parmesan cheese. You can sprinkle some right over top. Okay guys, so here we have it, our loaded fried mashed potato balls. As you can see, I cut one open. See the bacon, and they're nice and crispy. You can also go ahead and get some ketchup, and you could dip them in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?